بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. صدق الله العظيم. Respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Look around, there are many beautiful flowers. You see the sky, you see the sun, you see the bright moon and many twinkling stars. Allah created all these wonderful things for us. Allah made the earth, the big mountains, the deep seas and the oceans. Allah made fishes of different sizes. Allah made beautiful birds of different colors. Allah made lovely flowers and delicious fruits. Allah created us and provided us with a variety of food. Allah sends His bounties on us. Allah created you and me. He has complete power over all the beings. Allah is the Almighty. Allah is one. Allah is one. He has no partners. He has no partners. All human beings need Allah. Allah Himself says, "Ask me, I will give. Put all your need to Allah. Say, Allah, I need this. Please give it to me. Please give it to me." Allah accepts our dua. Allah accepts our dua. Allah is happy to give. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.